Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice to see you guys again. I've been having a lot of issues with my camera, so hopefully this one is going to be the best take and I'm going to get it right this time. So, to repeat everything I just said 5 minutes ago with no audio. All right? TFSA. Today, political election is going on. At the moment, we're seeing a ton of movement. Okay? A ton of movement on charts that's unrelated to the T in TFSA. You guys might think it's you guys might think it's tax-free savings account. I came up with the acronym the other day to explain technical, fundamental, sentiment analysis, TFSA. The technical analysis that we use to advance our trading and make ourselves better in this market is generally only driven off of a plethora of tools that we use to drive technical analysis. So indicators, Japanese candlesticks is the most recent form and most popular form at the moment, but these are the things we use in technical analysis. When we have things like political elections coming in to start playing roles in our trading, you need to steer clear of them. What we can call this is fundamental in the TFSA. News or things in the economy that will either drive the dollar or drive, let's say, a commodity, no matter what you're trading. Some market is going to be impacted by some form of news. All right. The two most popular forms of tracking the news, right, when it comes to economic reports, you'd have investing.com, I'll throw it up on the screen, and you have Forex Factory. These two sources are the most popular, so to speak. Any other source that you guys may come across are going to be things like Bloomberg or different forms of what we like to call them squawks. So live news analysis that's basically giving you the play-by-play, all right? For Forex Factory, I think it's aesthetically more pleasing or visual for newer people. Why? Because they show the news reports in different colors, such as this: yellow, orange, and red being the most significant. All right. For investing.com, they only show the news report in the form of stars, 3 stars being the most significant. I spent almost maybe 8 months to a year backtesting news reports such as the GDP, news reports like the NFP, news reports like retail sales. So anything that I saw on Forex Factory or investing.com that seemed to have a significant impact on the dollar. And if it's one thing that I found the most difficult in fundamental analysis, is the idea of buying the rumor and selling the news. A lot of the times when I did the backtesting for these news reports, there was a lack of consistency in the data that would come out and then the movement of the chart. Okay. At times, as I began to have more chart time and continued my trading venture, you would notice that there's always a pre-market movement before a significant news report comes out. Hence what we're watching right here. Okay. We're watching a complete sell-off of the US dollar, meaning that a lot of people at the moment are buying the US dollar in anticipation of something, right? Buying the rumor, selling the news. When you get caught into trades where these things are happening, you either need to understand that fundamentals are playing a role and you need to either hold out for that loss, or you're in a certain level of profit and you need to get out of that market. Why? Because it becomes a sense of gambling when you're trading the news and the news alone. When you become a better trader is when you combine all of these things: technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and the S stands for sentiment. When you add these 3 things together is when you will become a very, very, very great trader. Okay? Sentiment is very easy, and that's the reason why I haven't even explained it yet. Market sentiment is simply seeing who's in charge or who is moving that market at the moment. Bears are in charge or bulls are in charge? Is the market long or is the market short? Basically, the trend is your friend. Which way is the trend? That's all market sentiment is. A lot of the things that make up market sentiment is obviously trading emotions and like I said, a bunch of things that will play a role in the market direction. All right? Who's in control? Technical analysis. Now, as I said, guys, I'm having a lot of issues with my camera, so I didn't get to finish my sentence on the last one. I recorded about 1.5 minutes extra video, but I think you guys got the gist of what I was trying to say when it came to TFSA and the current situation and the current market conditions that we're seeing in the present moment. Honestly, God bless the US or whoever's up there, the Most High, and it's a crucial time for you guys in your economy, and I can't see what the future holds with the outcome of this election. So please, guys, continue to take care of your minds, continue to take care of your bodies, and don't allow this political election to have a hindrance on your longevity, your well-being, and your overall health. Okay, guys? I love you guys as usual. Like, comment, and subscribe. Honestly, for the people who don't want to do any of that, just keep watching these videos. I know they're going to help you. And I'll see you in the next one.